Shashi had a sum of money. 2/3 of the total money he invested in scheme A for 6 years, and rest of the money he invested in scheme B for 2 years. Scheme A offers simple interest at a rate of 12% per annum, and scheme B offers compound interest compounded annually at a rate of 10% per annum. If the total sum obtained from both the schemes is 2,805, what was the total sum invested by him in scheme A and scheme B together? Okay, so he invested some money, let's say P. 2/3 of the total money is invested in scheme A. Okay, so 2/3 of the total money, that is P, is invested in scheme A for 6 years. Okay, for 6 years. And the rest of the money he invested in scheme B. So rest of the money, which is 1/3P, in scheme B for 2 years. Scheme B for 2 years. Alright. Scheme A offers simple interest at a rate of 12% per annum. So this is 12% per annum simple interest. And scheme B offers compound interest at the rate of 10% per annum. So this is 10% compounded annually. Okay, so let's first calculate the interests. So let's use the formula for simple interest, which is P n r by 100. So P, which is 2/3P, n, which is 6, into r, which is 12/100. So let's leave it as it is. We don't calculate it just yet. And let's calculate for compound interest. So the formula for compound interest is what? P 1 plus r over 100 to the power n minus 1. Okay, so let's see what is P. P is 1/3P. 1 plus r is 10 over 100 to the power how many years? For 2 years minus 1. Okay, so 1/3P, we take LCM as 10. So 10 plus 1, which is 11, and whole square minus 1. So we get 1/3P. 11 11s are 121 over 100 minus 1. So we get 1/3P into 100, and 121 minus 100, we get 21, and 3 7s are, so we get CI, which is equals to 7P over 100. So let's write it here. CI is 7P by 100. Okay, so I'll just erase it because I don't have the space to solve. Okay, so I just told you how I got the CI. All right. So now what the question is telling me, if the total sum obtained from both the schemes is 2805, so that means the total interest is how much? Is 2805. But what is the total interest? Total interest is, let's simplify this a little bit. 3 2s are, so the total interest is 4 into 12, which is 84P by 100, plus this interest, which is 7P by 100. This equals to 2805. What was the total sum invested by him in scheme A and scheme B together? So he invested total sum of P. So we have to calculate P. So let's solve this and find the value of P. Let's take LCM as 100. So 48P plus 7P, we get 55P. And this is equals to 2805. So let's solve. 5 1s are 5 1s are, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 1s are 5, 11 5s are 1, and 11 1s are 11. So we get P is equals to 51 into 100, so 5100, and this is our required answer. So option B here is the correct one.